Welcome back to spreadsheetpoint.com. In this brief video, I will go over the best way to make a simple home-based budget file with perhaps two incomes in the household. Now, you'll notice I have a blank sheet here. That is for a reason. The best way to create these types of templates is to use a pre-made one using Excel. If I go to File, all of these templates here. If I go to More Templates, now it allows me to search for online templates. So let's try home budget. And we're going to hit search. Look at this. There's a couple of different choices. I'm going to choose this one here. Personal monthly budget. Create. Boom. It automatically creates the budget for you. Now, if you want it to be, let's say this is an annual budget, you just simply change it. And then it automatically creates this for you. Up here at the top, it's very straightforward. Projected monthly income 1 and extra income. Let's just rename this income 2, right? Now this is projected and actual. This tracker actually shows you projected versus actual as well. So there's no need to create this from scratch when there are literally hundreds of pre-built templates that you can use. Actual monthly income, let's put the income 2 as here. So you see in this case, the projected month, now you're going to have to change this to annual. So what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to highlight the entire sheet. I'm going to find and replace. I'm going to replace monthly with annual, replace all, and then it replaces that in the entire spreadsheet. Let's make this a little bit more accurate. Let's put 50 for the first person and maybe 75 for the second. So total annual income projected is that, but the actual, let's say you're going to be doing this budget after the year's over, or you would enter in the projected at the beginning of the year, and then you would enter the actual at the end of the year. 52.5. Oops. And then this maybe a bit less. Just like that. So it shows you your difference of incomes made as well, based on all of these expenses down here. So if you scroll down, look at this. All of these data tables are set up for you. So simply what you would do is delete all of this data, blank these all out, and then enter them in as you need them. Personal care, legal, gifts and donations, pets, food, savings or investments. And if you needed to add a different row, you would simply insert a row. So I believe the sheet is protected. Oh, it's because it's a table, just like that. You can create a whole other row if you need it just by bringing down the data table, just like that. And then you would enter in your category, whatever it is. So this is a very easy way to create a home-based budget. If you're not too familiar with Excel, let's see if there's more that we can do. I'm going to just search for budget this time. Let's click on more templates and then just do budget. Let's just see what this brings up. Look at them all. Look at this. Food budget, wedding budget, college budget, monthly company budget. There's so many different budgeting files, which business expenses, which you can choose from. Let's take a look at this monthly company budget. This is pretty straightforward, but if you have a company that you would need a budget for, same thing, income, expenses, all of these are formulas based on the data that you enter in here. And then it has the different tabs for your personal and operating expenses. I hope you found this video helpful. For more tips and tricks, please visit spreadsheetpoint.com and don't forget to like and subscribe.